What's up, y'all? Today I'm going to go over how to tie a poacher's knot and a scaffold knot. And yes, they are different. Poacher's knot has 2 turns in it and a scaffold knot has 3. We're going to start with the poacher's knot. So very similar to the double fisherman or just tying off the end of your rope. You're going to make that X and go back through with your tail just like this. All right, and there you have it. This is a poacher's knot. Now for the scaffold knot, gonna get a little bit more slack this time. Go around, make an X, go around again, and then go around a 3rd time. You'll see the 3 here in a second. Go through the loops you made, pull it. All right, now we have a scaffold knot here. So we've got 1, 2, 3 strands. We've got our X here on the front, and careful with this one because it does pull tight on whatever you're fixing it to. So there you have it, scaffold knot. Here we go with the poacher's knot. We've got our loop, make an X by going around, come back around again. Make sure you go over this strand here and then through underneath your X. Pull it tight, and there you have it, poacher's knot. And we'll do the scaffold knot one more time. Remember, with the scaffold knot, you need a little bit longer of a tail. If you start out with too long of a tail, it's okay. You can always pull the slack through. So you have your X here. You go around once, twice, and back through. Notice I did eat through most of that slack. Pull it nice and tight, dress it up. There you go. We got the 3 strands, 1, 2, 3. And coming back around to the front, we've got that nice X and our loop. Beautiful.